What is up, guys? Welcome back to another valuable cryptocurrency video. Today, here in this video, I'm going to be talking all about my favorite EOS coin. You guys know I love this EOS coin. It's one of the biggest rising coins today. It has gone down a little bit along with the rest of the crypto market, but that is fine. And I'm going to be talking all about its future plans with potential $400 million partnerships with Metaverses and Facebook. It's huge, and I really believe it could 100x, if not 1000x, and really get up into that top 20, top 5, top 10 mark by all cryptocurrencies in the world, maybe even top 3. So yeah, we're talking about that today. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, if you're new here, make sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get into this. And I just have to say, this is not financial advice in any way, shape or form, and I'm not a financial advisor at all. These videos are purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So if you want to invest, make sure to do your own research, and it is a very, very, very risky business. So yeah, I cannot be held liable for any gains or losses you make or lose. Okay, so moving on to the price news today of the EOS token. It is literally sitting at $4.13. So that is quite a little bit down from our height earlier this 24-hour period of $4.37, only 6.21% down. However, if we compare that to stocks or something, that is actually a lot to go down into just 24 hours. But this is not stocks, guys. This is the highly fluctuating market of cryptocurrency, so you can't expect anything else. But yeah, overall in the red for the last 24 hours, nothing green here. But if we look down at the last 7-day view, we can see there are definitely small peaks of green where we've peaked back up that past $5 mark, but mostly it's just people taking profits from these $5 marks, and overall it's got quite clear descending patterns and quite clear bearish continuations. But yeah, so even that's clear in the last month period, but that is simply just because people are taking profits from the recent gains and heights of $5 and even $5.30, as we saw earlier a couple weeks ago. Okay, so the fluctuation is not that bad either for the last 24 hours, but it is just a clear pattern going down. So maybe you guys want to buy the dip, but of course I'm not a financial advisor, can't tell you to do anything, but maybe I might do that actually in my own portfolio. But let's move on to the overall view of the EOS token and company, and then I'll give my price predictions at the end for the short, long, and midterm. So I'm coming to their website is really nice and well put together, guys. If you guys don't know what EOS is, then make sure to keep on watching, but if you do, make sure to skip ahead in the video, because I'm going to explain what exactly this coin is and what this company is doing to help improve the internet space and really the space of crypto as a future as we progress into the future. So yeah, their website is really nicely put together, as I just said. Let's have a look at why EOS is better than some of its competitors like Ethereum, which is already way more established than EOS, currently sitting at a number 2 spot by all cryptocurrencies by market cap in the world right now. But yeah, let's have a look at their website, see what they're saying about EOS and why it's better than some of its competitors. So yeah, EOS is a highly performative open source blockchain platform built to support and operate safely, compliantly, and predictably with digital infrastructures. Okay, and it is fast and efficient. Right here they've got their description of what that exactly means. Highly configurable, security compliance, and developer focused. So you can come over to the website yourselves and have a quick read of that, because it is very interesting. And I would recommend with any of these coins, as I said at the start of the video, do all your own research, guys. Go to their website, go to their Twitter, go to their Reddit, look at all the news happening, and if you feel in your own heart and your own brain that the price is going to go up because the company is really doing good things for the future, they've got good utility, then that's the time to invest. You shouldn't really be investing in these coins that are bad for the crypto space, like Shiba Inu, that are just purely driven by hype, and you should be investing into coins that can actually do something for the world. Here we've got a little article going on about Gemini raising funds for a metaverse outside of Facebook's walled garden. So basically that means that Facebook is not going to be the only metaverse in the world right now. It's going to be similar to how there's going to be different different social media platforms. So like Facebook will have its metaverse, Snapchat, obviously Facebook's competitor, may have another Metaverse, and there'll just be a bunch of different metaverses that are all competitors of each other, like LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, and all the other competitors for social media right now. That's just a comparison. They probably won't own them. It'll probably be owned by people like Decentraland and hopefully EOS as of recently, because they have just been hinted to having partnerships with Decentraland. That's what this article goes on about, so you guys can have a look at that for yourselves. But it is very, very interesting, and they're all talking about NFTs and how that's going to work with EOS and how EOS is working with metaverses. So yeah, that's pretty interesting too for today's news and this week's news overall on the EOS company. What exactly is EOS? I explained what its purpose is, how it's better than Ethereum, but EOS is basically just a blockchain-based decentralized platform used to develop, host, and run businesses, applications, or decentralized applications. So like that, it is extremely similar to Ethereum, and Ethereum is doing very well. So just like Apple and Samsung, potentially EOS could be the new Samsung of Ethereum's Apple, and yeah, grow together. Obviously Samsung is a lot smaller than Apple, but I think EOS can get a bunch bigger than the comparative size of Samsung to Apple. So yeah, that would basically mean it would go around like the 5 market cap by all cryptocurrencies in the world, which would be super bullish as well. Coming to their Reddit over here, which is just shy of 100,000 members, which is nice to see. Let's kind of have a look at their top Reddit post of the last day, guys. Let's have a look. So last day, they've got big things coming out here with funding for EOS that I just read you guys. Lots of funding with block 1 and everything. So yeah, my price predictions for this coin are probably 100x increases for the long term. For the short term, I'm going to say it might go down a little bit more because people will be taking profits that are already holding. And then for the midterm, when we see a little bit more news coming out with this exact coin, then we might see higher increases around that $5 mark, and we might break this barrier of the $5 mark we've seen in the last 7 days, and that's definitely possible. So yeah, those are my price predictions. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and for videos like this every single day. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.